Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl. I mean, who else could it be? You on this channel, right? So you know it's me, okay? Period. But for those of you who are new to seeing me, it is I, your girl, King Lex. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here, period. And give this video a nice old thumbs up if you're ready for me to get into it. Hey, every single day, if not every day, every other day, I get a question about my nails. People ask me, where do I go? Who is my nail tech? Blah, blah, blah. This has been going on for like over a year now. And my secret is, come here. Shh, just come here. I don't need none of that back talk. Just come here. Come here. My secret is press on, sis. Before you start talking crazy, y'all know I love to do a nail cam. Let me show y'all some of my previous styles, okay? So as you can see, I'm no stranger to the luxury nail press-on game. I love it. These are the current ones that I have right now. Yes. I will make sure to link them in the description. Their name is Nail Mail XOXO. I love them. I think they're based in the UK. I know that they're based out of the country. Either it's the UK or Australia. I'm not sure. One of them changed the game for me. Back for my 24th birthday, I wanted my nails done. I was going to a guy in the area. He had horrible customer service. I was just not a fan of it. I was like, you know what? I can't keep spending $70+ and not really being happy with the results. The shape is key. If the shape ain't where I need it to be, I don't want it. I got on Instagram and I was looking for nail techs and I stumbled upon some press-ons and I was like, these are bomb. These are bomb diggity diggity. I ordered them. These are the ones that I have for my birthday. I'll put the clip right here. And I love them. I thought they were so pretty. I got so many compliments on them. I was like, you know what, let me just keep this up. It can get a little pricey, but when I say pricey, I don't mean anything over like $40. Mind you, in the shop, you can get up into the 200s, 300s with some nails. It's not, no, I don't have time for that. And they can do them custom however you like. My two favorite brands are obviously Nail Mail, like I already mentioned. Girl, just don't get me started. I have boxes and boxes and boxes. I have so many of their nails. The designs, the cuteness, it just adds so much flavor. And y'all know I'm a very flavorful girl. I'm a flavor variety. And then Press for Nails, I love her work too. She works independently, but she's amazing. Just have some patience because it is worth it. I love it. And today, I'm gonna show you all how I apply my press on nails to go from busted to baddie. And that's on period. So if you're ready to get into it, stay tuned. Let's get it. So today, the set we're going to be applying, these are from Nail Mail. Shout out to them. They are the nail plug. Them, her, I don't know if it's multiple people, but they are the plug. You hear me? Nail Mail. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. These are in the style of the Takashi tips. Oh my gosh, it's just so cute for like summertime. They're so cute with the French tip. We love a classy French tip, you know? So we gonna get into it. So I always start with clean nails. We ain't got time for none of that dirt or nothing like that. There. For my own self, what I do is I will use cuticle oil and I'll give myself like a small little manicure before I even put the nails on. And I just go over my cuticles. They be a little dry and things like that there. And I don't have time for that. After you get them all softened up, usually when I order from Press for Nails, I'll get this little kit right here, a 3-piece mani kit. It comes with a nail file, a mini buffer, and an orange wooden stick. So after I soften up my cuticles, what I'll do is I'll take the orange wooden stick right here and then I'll push them back. After that, I take these nail trimmers right here. I look for any hangnails that I might have, because what I don't have time for is raggedy cuticles, but bomb nails, because after I trim my nails, what I'll do is I'll usually buff them, not too much. I don't want it to strip the nail down too much, but I will buff them just to give them a quick little buff. So we're gonna take the nails. Obviously they're in order from biggest to smallest. Nail glue might come with it, but I like to have my own. It's literally so simple. I buy it from Walgreens by Kiss. This is the brush on nail glue adhesive. I love this one. Watch how I go from this to bomb, okay? In like 5 minutes, literally. Before you start, make sure you try all the nails on to make sure they fit and you like them before you start putting them on. When doing this, you want to make sure that you press down and you hold the nail on there so the glue has a chance to really absorb. And that's literally it, y'all. You have a fresh, manicured, press-on luxury nail set. You feel me? You said you can't see? It's all right, don't even trip. I got you. I got you. I absolutely love them. I just love when I put them on and I be like, what you say? It's like anybody talks to me, I'd be like, right, whatever, yeah. She was like, what? And I was like, yes. And she was like, period. That is all it takes, 5 to 10 minutes of your day. Versus in the salon, this style could have easily ran you $75 and up. I'm not even talking about a full fresh set. I'm just talking about maybe a fill-in. See, when I used to go to the nail salon, I would get there, I'd be the first one, right? It ain't make no difference. I could be there 6-7 hours. How about I order them? They come to my mailbox, I pick them up, I put them on, and then I'm done. That is it. It is that simple. I hope you all thoroughly enjoyed this video. I hope you go get some nails. If you get into the press-on gang and I put you on, don't forget to tag me. Don't forget to mention me. Don't forget to shout me out. I want to see how poppy you are. I want to see the nail drip. I want to see all that. So, as always, what? Like my braid, girl? Yeah, I like my braid too. She said, stay blessed, beautiful and bougie with your press-ons, and I will see you guys at the next video. Hey, hold on, wait, I want you to see my tan lines, okay? You already know.